The Gospel of Lukas kelenong bakar ar, the kot lai pengendai hadu sau kupra.
But understand this, if the owner of the house had known at what hour the thief was coming, he would not have let his house be broken into. You also must be ready, because the Son of Man will come at an hour when you do not expect him. Peter asked, "Lord, are you telling this parable to us or to everyone?" The Lord answered, "Who then is the faithful and wise manager, whom the master puts in charge of his servants to give them their food allowance at the proper time? It will be good for that servant whom the master finds doing so when he returns. Truly, I tell you, he will put him in charge of all his possessions. But suppose the servant says to himself, 'My master is taking a long time in coming,' and he then begins to beat the other servants, both men and women, and to eat and drink and get drunk. The master of that servant will come on a day when he does not expect him, and at an hour he is not aware of. He will cut him to pieces and assign him a place with the unbelievers. The servant who knows the master's will and does not get ready or does not do what the master wants will be beaten with many blows. But the one who does not know and does things deserving punishment will be beaten with few blows. From everyone who has been given much, much will be demanded. And from the one who has been entrusted with much, much more will be asked."
Tule biang Lukas lenok bakar ar, the kot lai pengendai sau pufra. Te piru tolong kibala keloi na barba ukun ubri unwan ha kapor ba pimpoi perkat. Betul sulong. Kokan rat mekrania kane ka parsi na ka benta jongi neme mut na ka benta ki baro. Kokan rat berjubak wei te usakri ubastat bat bala bantanya. Udai utai uba ukun rat unai tika bat pania ya kaying ka sem bat panai jen bam ya wei bat kisakri na ka benta ha kapor biang. Suku tahu sakri la dau kan raju haba unman pai unna ba udang le la ka kamram da si siang ong api ukan rat untung rang bai halor ka spa ka hajar baro hare la dau tahu sakri un ong holiday ukan rat chung ha undang slam ban sedang ban syo ya laki para sakri ban cedrang ban kente ban unya bam ya di baru belai. Teu kerat wan pai ha kasni bo sakri kemilan tiu bat ha kapor bo tip ukan rat bidai kami bat pai ya lang bat ki bom kongu sakri batip ayu ukan rat kwa handrai tere manne sya pen sistem dakating sempat bajur Usakri pat tip ayu kera ukwa bat ule ke kepada wajib sempat ucak sempat melumela. Nau beriu hau balo ai cibun en padu cibun, nau beriu hau balo ai kambun en sepadu kambun. Kakubor berbau perai.